Back to our Texas homestead. Today I want to help you with your sweet tooth, because we know everybody's got one. Everybody's favorite from your childhoods, most childhoods, ice cream sandwiches. We're going to freeze dry some ice cream sandwiches today. Okay? And we're also going to freeze dry some regular ice cream, vanilla. I've already got some chocolate already made. Put them in the freeze dryer, get everything ready. Some other stuff that we freeze dry, these are Airheads. We do some Nerd Clusters, caramel M&Ms. We've even got some gummy bears, chocolate ice cream, Milk Duds. Guys, Milk Duds, freeze dried, pretty amazing. They get to be about that big. Think of a little itty bitty chocolate Milk Dud being about that big around. The one thing about freeze drying, super enhances the flavors and everything in them and makes it so much stronger, which is so much better. So we're going to let this thing run. It'll take about 14 hours or more for this to get done. And we'll see you back here through the process and show you how it comes out. See you back in a little while. Just to give you an idea, right now we're at -9-10 degrees. It's currently freezing it again. So that way then we'll go through its drying process afterwards. We'll bring you back later. We're almost 2 hours in, hour and 50. See you back shortly. Still going on the freezing process. You can see it's still nice and super frozen. We're at currently -17 to 20 degrees. It keeps fluctuating. And 3 hours and 25 minutes in. Still got a lot of time. It'll go from here to its heating cycle and then heat everything up and then dry it out. But right now it's getting it nice and cold before it pulls all the rest of the moisture out of it. So we'll see you again after a while and see how it is. Had an explosion. Hours of drying. It was 8 hours of drying. It's been going for 13, so looks like some of the ice cream got a little excited. So we'll see you back here when it's done. Alright guys, welcome back. 16 hours is what this one took. 16:02. Actually had a little bit of extra drying time that I had it set up for. To treat it like an ice tray. But ice cream and your bars. I'll break these apart here. Try not to make it go everywhere. Yeah, they just break apart. Really good. Ice cream sandwiches, the flavor is so much stronger than what they are normally. Now you're just your regular vanilla ice cream. Really, really nice. Sorry, I had to finish that. And the way we bag them up, we'll break them down, put all the regular ice cream inside of here. And then the ice cream sandwiches will get broken in pieces too. It makes it more bite-sized, easier to pull with. But get these all packaged up and ready to go. Now all they need is a label, and go over there and heat seal these so that way they're sealed before they ever get shipped out. But yeah, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video on freeze drying some ice cream. And if you want any of it, our link's down in the description for Shoptify. And hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all back next time on Our Texas Homestead. Thanks.